Hello students. Yeah, this is Arkanayesho, your biology teacher. Today we'll discuss a new chapter, sustainable management of natural resources. Sustainable management of natural resources. So first, what is the definition of natural resources? Anything in the environment, anything, plants, animals, water, sunlight, many are there. Anything in the environment which can be used is called natural resources. Some example: forest, wildlife, water, coal and petroleum, gas. So these all example for that. What is the management of natural resources? See, a system of controlling the usage of natural resources. Nowadays, we are using a rapidly using of a gas cylinders. Yes or no? Again, at the same time, petrol, coal, diesel. So rapidly we are using. Why? Because of increasing the population. So at the same time, so decrease the natural resources. So such way to avoid their wastage and to use them in the most effective way. Means how can we control? How can we control the natural resources? At the same time, how can we uh, use a less amount of natural resources? How can we conserve that? Why? Because of once you can use these natural resources cannot replace it take for many years. Some example: gas, petrol, coal. Once you can use, so cannot recome back because of the coal and petrol gases. It take for 100 years above. That's why every people they have to take to reduce the natural resources, because of still future generation is there, right? Yeah. So what is the sustainable development? So in this chapter, what is the natural resources definition, and what is the management of natural resources, and what is a sustainable development? Means how can we develop the natural resources? The development of which meets the current basic human needs. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ హ్యూమన్ నీడ్స్ ఏం కావాలి? సో వాటర్, క్లోత్స్, ఫుడ్, ఎస్ అను ఫుడ్ ఎక్సెట్రా. సో ద డెవలప్మెంట్ విచ్ మీట్స్ ద basic human needs and also preserve the resources for the needs of future generation. సో ఫ్యూచర్ జనరేషన్కి ప్రిజర్వ్ మీన్స్ రిసోర్స్ ఏంటి? మనం ఏమి ఇస్తాము? ఫారెస్ట్, ఎస్ అను ఫారెస్ట్, వాటర్ and animals. This is the give the needs of future generation. That is called sustainable development. Means how can we development, how can we conserve the natural resources we give gift for future generations. See students, this is the example: forest and wildlife, water, coal and petroleum. So these are some of our important natural resources are forest and wildlife, water, coal and petroleum are the natural resources. So these are main three definition: natural resources, management of natural resources, and sustainable development. Why do we need to manage our resources? అసలు మనకి ఏం అవసరం? Why do we need to manage our resources, natural resources? We need to manage our natural resources because of the following reason. See here. One is the resources of the earth are limited. Means so every year increase in human population and the demands for resources is increasing day by day. So best example in the world, first place is China, population is China, second place in India. Future, so our India to cross the China because of every increase the population. At the same time, our needs also decrease. That's why every person they take care of or take to how can improve the natural resources for the sufficient to peoples. Second point, the proper management of natural resources. to takes into consideration a long term perspective or view and prevents their exploitation to the hit for short term gains. Means here, what is second point ఇక్కడ అంటే మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ న్యాచురల్ రిసోర్సెస్ ఇంటూ కన్సిడరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఉన్న రిసోర్సెస్ని ప్రజెంట్ వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ లెస్ రిసోర్సెస్ దీస్ రిసోర్సెస్ హౌ కెన్ వీ take to long term for many years because of still future generation is there. So these natural resources they can sufficient to future generation. That's why we have to take to these natural resources for the future generation. That's why don't take the a short term gains. సరే మనకు ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇప్పుడు యూజ్ చేసుకున్నాము వీటిని అంటే వాట్ హౌ అబౌట్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న రిసోర్సెస్ని కోల్ పెట్రోల్ గ్యాస్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి యాక్చువల్గా రిసోర్సెస్ వీటన్నిటి మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటే వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫ్యూచర్ జనరేషన్. దట్స్ వై సో డోంట్ యూజ్ దీస్ న్యాచురల్ రిసోర్సెస్ ఫర్ ద షార్ట్ టర్మ్ అని చెప్తున్నాం సెకండ్ పాయింట్. థర్డ్ వన్, ద ప్రాపర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ క్యాన్ ఎన్ష్యూర్ equitable distribution of natural resources so that all the people can benefit from the development of these resources. అంటే ఉన్న రిసోర్సెస్ కెనాట్ యూజ్ ఫర్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూ పీపుల్స్ few managements. So these resources for all peoples, all generations, they can use, right? Yeah. The proper management will take into consideration the damage caused to the environment during the extraction or usage of the natural resources and find a ways to means to minimize this damage. Means every people in the world they are using the natural resources extraction or use అంటే యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం బట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద natural resources are wastage. So you can use what you need, no problem, but what happened here no that rapidly they are using unnecessarily the wastage the natural resources anything coal కావచ్చు పెట్రోల్ కావచ్చు గ్యాస్ డీజిల్ forest anything any reasons. So don't use rapidly use don't use these natural resources unnecessarily. At the same time don't waste the natural resources. You can use for the purpose. At the same time we can save the natural resources for the future generation. So this is the just introduction topic of sustainable management of natural resources.